Hey guys, this is my last ever Joann haul from Halloween, or for Halloween. I was very lucky. My Joann store got a huge shipment of Halloween items about like 3 weeks to a month ago. And I snagged a bunch, and I'm so happy that I did, because by the time I went back, like, they weren't getting any more Halloween inventory and almost all of it was gone. So I'm really happy with what I picked up. I will preface this by saying this was not all purchased in that one go. This was purchased in like 3 to 4, probably about 3 Joann trips in the past like 2 months. Just as I kind of saw some stores get some inventory. And I also knew some things I'd just never be able to get again because they're Joann items. And I'd wanted them for a while and I hadn't purchased them because of the cost, but yeah, I got all of this about 70 to 80% off, which is great, but the price we pay, you know, because now I'll never get to buy them again. Anyways, let's get into the haul. Sorry, this is like so depressing. Any of my fellow Joann lovers, especially fellow Joann Halloween lovers, I'm here for you. I feel your pain because same, Joann is one of my favorite Halloween collections every year. And it will no longer be. So, stinks. So let's get into the haul because I'm so excited. I am fiending for Halloween big time. I ordered some supplies for my Halloween costume. Yes, I realize it's not even June yet. Leave me alone. I decided that I could order some of my costume, and that would tide me over because I am dying to decorate. Truthfully, I'm dying to decorate, and I need to hold off until at least July. Like, May is too soon. June, I did start in late June last year because it takes me like a month or 2 to get fully decorated. But anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get into this freaking haul. Okay, first thing I got was not 1, but 2 pumpkin men. I have had my eyes on these for literally probably like 2 years, maybe 3. I've always loved them. I love giant items like this. It's such high impact, and I always want stuff to continue decorating my front porch and yard with, and these are great for that. I believe they either light up and talk, or at least talk. How do I turn it off? There we go. Okay. My dogs absolutely hated that. They're both looking at me like, Mom, we're terrified. But yeah, I thought these would look great either on my front lawn or my front porch. And they're normally $120, and I got them 80% off. So I was very, very excited to snag some of these. In the same vein, I also picked up 2 of the mini guys. So these were $49.99 each originally, and then I got them 80% off, so super, super cheap, obviously, and I just like these. The pumpkin head shape's kind of weird, but honestly, I don't even care. I think they're really cute and fun, and I want more orange in my Halloween decor this year. Because I go spooky, apothecary, witchy vibes, it doesn't always feel like fun fall vibes in my house, and I don't want it to feel fun. I want it to feel spooky, but I think it does need a little bit more orange. So I'm excited to have these in the decor repertoire this year. And next up, I snagged a few things that are not necessarily Halloween, but I'm going to be using them for Halloween decor. I'm all tangled up in this bag. First, I got these blueberries, and I got these for 2 reasons. 1, just because I thought they would look nice in a spooky flower arrangement, but 2, they kind of remind me of Nightlock, like from the Hunger Games, and I have a Hunger Games themed Halloween outfit this year, so I was thinking I could like take these off and use them as like Nightlock, or put them in like a little jar as Nightlock. I don't know, I did TBD on how I'm going to use these. Next thing I got are some candles. These are just like some timed flickering flame fake candles. So I got a big one, a little one. These I use all over my decor. I think candlelight is such a great vibe when you're going for something spooky. Another big one. I don't know how much these were originally, but obviously I got those like, I think 60% off. Yeah, and then one more small one. So all great little deals there. Very excited about it. And I'm doing a Nosferatu theme. I change my bathroom theme every year, my guest bathroom, just so it's like a fun surprise, especially for party goers. So Zilla, stop licking that. Stop. So last year it was Harry Potter. Year before that it was Beetlejuice. This year it's going to be Nosferatu. And I think a bunch of candles lighting the bathroom would be really perfect for the Nosferatu theme. So I'm excited about that. The rest of this isn't actually Halloween decor. It's stuff from my Etsy shop. So I'm going to leave that in here. This is technically for Halloween. They just had some random butterflies on clips, and I grabbed a few of these because this is part of my Halloween costume, and that's a massive hint to what it is. I'm also very sad. One of the things that I bought fell off a shelf and broke, which, like, I'm glad it happened to one of those items. So, I mean, I probably paid $5 to $8 for it instead of like $35 for it. So that's good. Oh, these. I got these a couple of little pumpkins. They're black pumpkins with like a little ghost coming out of it. And I believe they light up. Yeah, I mean, you can't really tell, but they just light up gold, which I like. They're just like, you know, warm lighting. Which is a yes from me. I really hate when they put like rainbow changing lights inside of Halloween decor because I'm like, that's too happy. Too happy. I just want something simple. And I really like when it's like a golden, more warm light instead of like a super white LED light. So yeah, picked up 2 of those. One of my Halloween decor shopping mantras is kind of like, if they have 2, get 2, because then you can always do matching sides of something versus if you only have one, it can only really be like a centerpiece or an accent piece. And I don't even always use the same thing in the same room. Like one of those pumpkins might go on my shelf, one might go like in my bathroom. I don't know, but at least I have 2 if I feel like I need to offset them or something. More candles. These are all black flameless candles. Don't think they don't have batteries, so I can't show them, show you the color. But yeah, they're just black, so I thought that would also be good, add to the spooky vibe. I think honestly all of these are probably gonna end up in the Nosferatu bathroom this year, but we'll see. And then literally 2 more of those. So 2, 4, 6, so I bought 8 candles at Joann's clearance sales, which I'm not mad at because you can always use them. Literally always you can use them. Oh my god, wait! Did I say I bought 8 candles? Psych, I bought 10 candles! This is 2 more. These are the medium size. So I literally bought the large, the medium, and the small. Oh my god, you guys, my Nosferatu bathroom is gonna be insane. It's gonna be insane. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Next thing is I bought a couple of tablecloths. I went ahead and got 2. These are just like orange black, like abstract kind of plaid vibes. These are super necessary because respectfully, love the folks that come to my Halloween party, but they almost always are spilling drinks on the bar table. And a lot of times it ruins the tablecloths. Even if they're like wipeable, cleanable, they are so sticky all over and dirty all over. It's like not even worth trying to get them clean because it's impossible. So having tablecloths is like an absolute necessity for my parties. And if I can get them 80% off, you know, then there you go. And I also got this one, which I've just now realized is for a round table, but that's fine. And it's like a spider web, creepy, florally moment. Next, I got this wall hanging, which I had my eye on last year because I wanted some bigger pieces because I have a hallway that's like lined with frames and I like switching them to Halloween. So yeah, I had my eye on this one last year. It's like a bat with a skull and it's like 3D off the print, which I thought was cool. So yeah, it's originally for $50 and like this for $50, like sorry babe, that's like $19.99. It's like, it's not anything crazy. It's printed. It's obvious it's printed. Like it doesn't look hand drawn or anything. I don't know. So yeah, I'm really happy I found this for 80% off because I just wouldn't have ever paid $50 for it personally. I also snagged a cauldron because you can never have too many cauldrons, let's just be honest. And this is like a $50 cauldron. It does have this like shiny moon phases thing on the other side, but I'll probably just use like the plain side. So super cute cauldron. I'm always gonna buy a cauldron if I see one. And I'm glad I got a $50 one for like a few bucks. But the price we pay, man. I'm gonna miss Joann so much, y'all. Like, it is truly so sad. It's mainly I'm just looking at all this Halloween decor and I'm like I'm not gonna have Joann Halloween to look for anymore. And Joann was always one of the first to put their Halloween out. So like last year Halloween was out in I think late July. Maybe it was like mid-July. It was so early last year and I was so excited. And anyways, moving on. Moon. This is a little like table decor piece. You can set it on the coffee table or whatever, and it opens up. But yeah, I mean, it's originally $24.99, so not crazy expensive, but I got it again, 80% off, so I snagged it. And the moon is like a skull face, if you can kind of see it. So it's nice and spooky. I don't think I normally would pick it up, and I wouldn't pay $25 for it because it's not like totally my personal style, but it's close enough that I'd pick it up for 80% off. So, little moon dish thing. This I was excited about because I only bought one last year because it was so expensive. And I got this one 80% off. Actually, this might have been, I had one item that the guy gave me for free because it like either didn't ring up or something. I think it was this one because it is broken in the back. And he was like, oh, like I just have to like damage it out or something like that. And I was like, no, I still want it. And he was like, okay, just take it. I'm pretty sure that was with this item. Yeah, originally $70, and I paid $70 for it last time. I mean, I didn't pay $70. I didn't pay full price. I think I got it like 40% off last time because, you know, Joann is like almost always at least 40% off. But the fact that I was able to get it 80% off is better. I don't think this one lights up anymore. Either that or the Try Me battery is messed up. But this is one of the ones that I'm pretty sure, if I'm not wrong, I'm pretty sure lights up rainbow on the inside, which is so disappointing because, like, who wants this to be rainbow? Like, he's like Grim Reaper Dementor vibes. Why? What says rainbow about this? This is gonna be really funny if it's not rainbow and I'm yelling for no reason. But yeah, I have one of them. Like I said, one of my rules of thumb is to buy two of anything that you find that you really like. And I didn't, and I kind of regretted it. I'm not gonna lie, because he's really sick. So I was very excited to grab one more of these at such a great price. A big thing for me this year is I really want to step up my lawn decor. Not that it's bad, like I have a good amount of lawn decor, but the way my lawn is set up is huge. I only decorate one side of it because if I decorated both sides, it would be like a pumpkin there and then 30 feet and then a pumpkin there. Like my lawn is just very large. And so I really want to step up my game in my lawn. These are a quick and easy way to do that. I got these little ghosty light up garden stakes. It says animated pathway lights. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not totally sure what that means. The try me button is not working. I'm assuming they just light up. I don't know why that makes them animated. They light up purple. But yeah, they're just like literally plain face little ghosties. But again, 3 of these plastic little blow mode light up ghosties for 50 bucks. Like, just 3 is really expensive. So like if you wanted to have like a whole good line of them, you're spending 200 bucks. So yeah, I got that set for 80% off of $50. And then I got another set to match so that they would be, you know, a little bit more impactful than just 3 random ghosties. Like I want it to look like it's like lining something, if that makes sense. So yeah, got 2 packs of those. And then, is this the last item? Oh my god, it is. Last but certainly not least, I picked up a pumpkin set because they had them and I thought they were cute. It says they light up orange. Again, it's a 3 count. and they're just really cute little like plastic blow mold light up pumpkins. And I do have some light up pumpkins already for my lawn from Spirit Halloween, and they're like angry looking pumpkins, but I figured these would be good, you know, just to throw somewhere else in the yard. Ooh. What the hell? These were all in the garage, so pretty sure that is a dead worm carcass that I just touched. Happy Halloween! Anyways, yeah, that is everything I bought from Joann. You remember kind of towards the end of that video when I was like, wait, is that all? It wasn't. I was like, is that the last item, really? I knew it wasn't because I was like, there's more than this. I know that. I know that there's more than this. Anyways, I laid it out on my bed to film a quick little reel. So I'm just gonna let you guys see everything else I bought real quick. You're not gonna believe it. You're not gonna believe it. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? More candles. More candles. These are some bloody ones. Cute, cute. I got 2 mini ones and 2 big ones of the bloody ones. So these are gonna be perfect for anytime I wanna do like something vampire-y, bloody, whatever. These are gonna be great. This is really funny. I didn't even realize I bought 2, and it's funny because I already have 1, but I really like this design and I can use it in multiple places in my house. It's these little eyeball portraits. I propped one up on my bookshelf last year, but I think one in the Nosferatu bathroom will be great, and then another one in my hallway on like my gallery wall will be good. So I have plenty of spots that I can put these, but yeah, the fact that I have 3 of these is hilarious. Yeah, they're $25 and I got them 80% off, so literally like a few dollars each. So worth it, honestly, if you ask me. I also got this little skull bowl. I'm never gonna say no to a skull. I love a skull. I want my house to look like a literal catacomb, so that's perfect. Also, $30. Like, Joann, girl, what were you thinking? $30 for this? It's not even like ceramic. It's definitely plastic. So, or like resin or something. But yeah, I liked that it was like kind of coppery looking. So, remember my rule of thumb to always buy 2? 2. Now that's everything I bought. Okay, like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're getting ready for spooky season, even if it's just by doing small things like this. I'm so excited. I want to do a really great spooky season video series this year, and this is the first one, I guess. So yeah, give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below for more hauls and other things, and probably spooky content coming to you somewhat soon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.